So hello guys, welcome back with another video of Salesforce Geek channel, and in this video we are going to cover a trailer challenge. So basically in this challenge, let me tell you the scenario in brief. So let's say that you have an account and this account containing a contact. So as per the scenario you can see on the screen, what you have to do, like if someone changes the shipping details of account, then what we have to do, we have to change the mailing address or mailing details of this contact to the shipping details. Means the mailing details of the contact should contain the shipping details of the parent account. So this contact is related to the account. So let's complete the solution in the process builder. So for that, let's move to the Salesforce org. So let's launch a Salesforce org here and launch setup on the wrench icon. Click setup and in the quick find type process. As you can see process builder over there, click on it, click new and type the name of your process builder. Let's say change contact mailing address. Select when a record is changed, click save. Now add object here, type account, select account over there and select when a record is created or edited. Click save. Now what you have to do is add criteria over there. Give a name to the criteria. Let's say account shipping details changed. If account shipping details changed, then what we have to do, we have to select conditions are met and now we have to provide some conditions. Now as you know, we have to check whether the shipping details of the account is changed. So for that, type shipping. As per the challenge, we have 5 fields for shipping address. So let's say select street, choose. On operator you have to select is changed, because from is changed we came to know, okay, our account shipping street is changed. And for type boolean and in value click true. So account shipping state is changed, boolean true. Do the same for all these fields. Let's say account city, shipping city, choose is changed, boolean true. Now add another condition for state. Select shipping state, choose is changed, boolean true. Add another condition for postal code. So shipping postal code, choose over there is changed, boolean true. Now add one more condition for country. Shipping country over there, choose and is changed, boolean true. Now save this. Now you have to select or condition here, because if any of the field value is changed, then we have to update the value of mailing details or mailing address of the related contact. So click save. Now add a action over there, and in action what we have to do, we have to update the contact mailing address. So here select update records, provide the action name over there. Let's say update contact mailing details. Now in record type select a related record because that contact is related to account. So that's why we are choosing select a record related to the account. So select contacts, type contacts over there. As you know that contacts, why there is no contact? Because contact is a object name and contacts is a relationship name, which is child relationship. So that's why you can see contacts over there. So click choose. Now here choose no criteria, just update the record, and here you have to select contact mailing details. So let's say first is it street. Now in mailing street, what you have to do, you have to fill the account shipping street. So you have to select field reference over there, and here in account select street, and which is shipping street. Choose. Now add another row for city, mailing city, field reference, account, shipping city. Choose. Now for the state, mailing state, field reference, account, shipping state. Click choose. Now for postal code, mailing zip postal code, field reference, account, postal code, which is shipping postal code, like for account. Now at last choose country, mailing country, field reference, account, shipping country. Click choose and simply save. Now as your immediate action is completed, now what you have to do, you have to activate your process builder. Let's activate it. Click confirm. Now move back to the challenge and click check challenge to earn 500 points. So as you can see, our Trailhead challenge is completed, and I hope all the concept of this challenge is clear to you. I will also create a video like how to do this scenario with Salesforce flows. So in the upcoming days I will create it, and I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe this channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.